Bonjour, I am Jacques Torres and welcome to Tuesday Tips. Today I want to show you a basic cream that we do all the time in pastry. It's called pastry cream. Pastry cream is a mixture of milk, egg, sugar, starch, a little bit of butter. You can flavor it with vanilla. I love vanilla. Always vanilla, never vanillin. Put half of my sugar into the milk and I'm going to bring that to a boil. 2 eggs and 2 yolks with the leftover of the sugar. So I'm going to add the other half of the sugar here, 50 grams of cornstarch. And then I'm going to bring some of the whole milk into the egg mixture. It's called tempering. Mix it, put everything back into the pot and then boil everything together. Okay, my milk is boiling now. So I'm going to temper my egg. If you have some lumps, you can strain that back into the milk. There is no lumps here, so I'm okay. Okay, I'm going to put everything back into the pot. I don't think I put my vanilla, so I'm going to add it now. And we are done. Add a little bit of butter. You know, French, we love our butter. Okay, we're going to mix until the butter melts completely. And voila, we have pastry cream. I hope that helped.